Nice to meet you. Today, we'll connect employee records, company policies, and MCP to build an AI chatbot that employees can start using right away. This isn't just simple Q&A. The chatbot answers using both policy and attendance/leave data, and can even auto-generate documents like a business trip guide. Prepare the policy Word files for leave and business trips, the employee information CSV, and the Exa Search MCP, which will supplement trip plans with external information. In your browser, go to the SCLAB site, click Get Started for free in the upper right, then click Login. If you don't have an account, you can sign up in seconds with email or Google. Click Create Content Site and choose No Theme. Enter a domain and site name. If the domain is taken, it won't be created. Combine your team's name and date to make it unique. The initial layout shows guide documents and videos you can reference while you build. Use the trash icon at the top of the layout to delete it. From the top menu, open the Data Editor. Click Edit to enter the editor. Then on the left, click CSV and choose employee_info.csv from your computer. After a moment, a CSV hexagon appears. Now click SCLAB GPT on the left to open the settings pop-up and review the defaults. Set your theme in custom color and save. A GPT hexagon is created. In the GPT hexagon, click Files and use the plus button to upload your policy Word files and embed them. Embedding converts words and sentences into numeric vectors so the system can understand and compare meaning. Click Data, select the CSV you just uploaded, and save. The CSV and policies are now linked, so the chatbot is ready to reference both policy and each person's attendance data. Weather, airline rules, visas, tipping customs, and similar items require up-to-date external information. That's why we connect MCP. From the top menu, go to AI Agent, then in the left MCP section, click Add MCP Server. A pop-up appears. In a new tab, go to the Smithery site, sign up, and select Exa Search. To get the remote URL, first go to the Exa site, sign up for Exa, and copy your API key. Click Configure and paste the Exa API key. Click Get URL with keys instead to obtain the MCP server URL. Paste this into SCLAB remote URL field, name it Exa Search, and save. You can confirm the MCP connection is established. Return to the data editor and back to the GPT hexagon. In the left MCP menu, enable Exa Search and save. The chatbot can now call external search when it needs the latest information. The chatbot works on both mobile and web. First, go to the mobile editor, choose a layout, and place the sections. Click the SCLAB GPT menu, then drag and drop chatting from the list into the layout and test it. On mobile, users can access the GPT via QR code or URL. Move to the page editor to set the bottom menu and page names. Using the same approach as mobile, arrange the layout. Click the SCLAB GPT menu, drag and drop chatting into the layout, and test. When ready, assign the guest role appropriately in the member list. In this demo, we'll check all permissions. Click Publish in the upper right to go live. Click the address at the top to open the site on web and mobile. In the chat window, ask, "What is Doyle Moon info and remaining leave?" and the chatbot will generate the answer. Then ask, "Senior Manager Doyle Moon plans a business trip to San Francisco from September 14th to September 20th. Please draft a trip guide report," and the content will be generated using policies and employee data. Ask, "While on the trip, please rewrite the guide including current weather and hotel recommendations within the price cap with links," and the chatbot will generate the report using MCP's external data. You can copy the content and email the trip guide, or employees can log in and get help directly from the GPT using company policies and their own attendance information. You can add an action trigger in AI Agent to send a trip summary report to the relevant stakeholders via Slack or email. Build and use an internal AI chatbot easily with SCLAB Studio.